Hi, how are you?
I'm doing really well. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
Oh, and what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan. What's your name?
My name is Megan.
Okay, great name.
And where are you from? Oh, and thank you.
I'm yes, I am from India.
From India.
Yes,
What part of India are you from?
that is the northern part of India called as Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay, I don't think I've heard of it.
Yes, maybe.
And how long have you been learning English?
I have started my English in my graduation first year, and
Okay.
then onwards. Nowadays, I am practicing on Cambly so that I become more confident into it. Yes.
Yeah. Well, you seem confident. You come across as confident.
Okay, thank you.
Um,
So,
I I I do want to let you know that I see you have 15 minutes. I'm gonna have to log off of Cambly in about 8 minutes. Just so you know that I can't give you your full time that you deserve.
okay, no problem. So I will be booking any other slot with you. So
Okay,
yeah.
that sounds wonderful.
Yes.
Well,
Okay,
I,
great.
I I'd love to chat with you for the time that I have. So why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? Like what do you do for work? What do you like to do for fun?
Yes, basically, I am a website developer and I am developing
Ah.
websites and working as a freelancer right now.
Oh, okay. Have you been getting a lot of work or has it been more difficult during the pandemic?
Yes, I have a lot of work in pandemic basically because everyone
Good.
is inside the room and we are doing a lot of projects. Yes, online industry is always open.
That's true. That's a really good point. And I'm sure there are a lot of people who are looking to start websites as well.
Yes.
With
So, so
yeah, go ahead.
yes, professionally, you are an English teacher or you are doing something else.
Right now I'm working as an English teacher. So, yeah, I would say that that's my career path at the moment. I used to work as an editor before the
Okay.
pandemic started, and then I lost my job.
Okay.
And before I was an editor, I worked as an English teacher.
Okay.
So I went from teacher to editor and back to teaching again.
Okay, great. And you are from UK?
No, I'm from the US.
Okay. Yes, actually, I was also trying to, do some listening practice. So your English conversation is little better. So I think that I am listening. My listening practice is going good right now.
Oh, well, that's excellent. I'm glad to hear that.
Yes.
Do you normally talk with tutors from the United States or from the UK or other places?
Yes, from UK and United States.
Okay, so you like to talk with people who have both accents.
Yes. Actually, I am trying to understand their languages so that because I have a lot of clients outside the India, and for example, I am trying to do any meeting or something like that. So at that moment, I have needed such a type of English skill that I could understand their problem, and then after I could try to find the solution for them.
I see. Okay. Yeah, I suppose if you work as a freelancer, you must work with people from all over the world.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Do you like it? Like, do you like kind of running your own business, so to speak, and getting different projects, or would you prefer to work for a company if you could?
No. Actually, I was working for a company for 2 years, and then after I switched to my full time work, which I am doing right now. So yeah, this is preferred because I am working in my own way, and I have enough time to do a lot of other projects like my personal projects and the freelancing projects. So this is
Okay.
better for me in terms of growth.
Yeah, okay. Well, good.
Yes.
I'm glad. Well, I this is kind of crazy. I had a student that was supposed to call me about 10 minutes ago, and
Okay.
now he's finally calling me. So I'm obligated to answer because he had a reservation. So I have to let you go for the last few minutes here.
Okay, so you mean that we have to close the discussion?
Yeah, we do. I'm really sorry.
Okay, no
Because
problem.
since he had a reservation, Cambly makes me answer the call, so I have to let you go.
Okay, okay, no problem.
But I
So
hope
I
to
will.
talk again soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.